Yeah, this website has grown far beyond my imagination, and I'm thanking all the people who have been writing and commenting, good and bad, because that's what makes one grow and see whatever needs changing and improving. So thank you all, and I hope you continue to enjoy my Jamaican recipe. They are Jamaican recipe, and they're old Jamaican recipe, so I give it to you as I know it. From the fact that I tell them these are old Jamaican recipes, they know I'm old.
Well, you look young.
Those pictures don't look young to me. That look young if I never go around telling my kids age, because then it will tell how old I am. Oh dear. Happy anniversary, Jamaica, for 50 years. It's a wonderful landmark, and to all the Jamaicans all over the world, I hope you're celebrating the 50th, because most of us won't be around for the next 50. So have a good time and pray for Jamaica to continue to grow in every good way possible.
Usain Bolt won.
Yeah.
What do you have to say about that?
Oh, Usain Bolt and the boys did a wonderful job. I didn't expect anything less anyway. We're Jamaicans. We aim for the highest.
Is Jamaican ginger beer supposed to be fizzy?
It's not supposed to be fizzy. It's a homemade ginger beer. All the carbonated ones came after for foreigners. But no, that's authentic Jamaican homemade ginger beer. There's a difference because stew peas only have meat and the peas that you cook until to a certain consistency with all the other seasoning and things, and you serve it over rice. Red pea soup, it has the same meat in it, but it's cooked in more liquid, and you add different things to it, like yam and dumplings and potatoes and things like that, to make a big stew. Not served over rice, because there's a lot of liquid, like which a soup has. I don't know, I've never done it, but you know, you could try it. Curiosity sometimes prove very successful, and you might find that you like it cooked with chicken. And it's not a beat up frying pan, it's a well seasoned frying pan. You can tell from the outside how shiny it still is, but the inside is well used. That's what you call a well seasoned pan for a cook that cooks. Not only a cook that fries egg and bacon. So this is my frying pan, and it's not the only one that I have, but it's a good one. For people who are requesting recipes, there'll be a lot of new recipes coming along your way, so check into the website or join my so that you can get exclusive recipes as well. www.cooklikeajamaican.com.
Excellent. So you mean join your mailing list?
Yeah, join my mailing list.
Okay, either on the website or on YouTube.
Or on YouTube.
Well, subscribe to your YouTube channel.
And subscribe. I'm imitating my daughter now. Subscribe to your YouTube channel.
No, your YouTube channel.
My YouTube. Oh, I'm getting all tongue-tied here. YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.